Looking at factors to consider before investing in real estate. As an investor, there are certain things that you should put into consideration before investing in real estate. Unlike other investment platforms, real estate is quite tricky and demanding. First, you need to consider location. In all honesty, location is in fact the most important factor to consider before investing in real estate. You need to know a lot about that particular location that you want to invest in to avoid stories that touch. You want to be sure that that location is viable for investment. You ask questions like, is this location visible to the government? Does the government have plans for this particular location? Is the environment secure? Is it a waterlogged area? Is there a road network that leads to other part of, let's say, Lagos or wherever it is you want to buy your property? You honestly don't want to buy a property that you will end up regretting why you actually bought it. So you need to do your due diligence and ensure that you do your proper findings on that location. If it requires you asking around, asking people in the neighborhood questions about the location, then you should, to avoid any kind of unwanted problems. Secondly, you need to understand market trend. Market trend includes property prices, demand for rentals, and market cycles. Are prices rising, falling, or stabilizing? Do a proper research on recent sales and future projection in that area. If you're looking to invest for rental purposes, you should consider the current demand for rental units in that area. Demand for rental properties in the area can help you generate consistent cash flow. Real estate goes through a cycle of boom and bust. So understanding where the market currently stands in the cycle, either buyer's market or seller's market, can help you buy at the right time. Thirdly, you need to assess the condition of the property. You should do a thorough inspection of the property because this is essential to avoid unexpected costs down the line. Before you invest in that real estate, before you make that initial deposit, you should ensure that you do your due diligence. Due diligence is one thing that you will always hear me talk about because it is very essential in real estate investment to avoid any kind of problem at the end of the day, to avoid you regretting why you've invested in real estate. Follow us for more real estate insights. Have a nice day. Bye.